iRacing can be quite overwhelming when you first start out, which is why we want to help you figure out which path to take in your iRacing career. We'll go over what to do in rookie class, how to easily upgrade your license, and how to plan out your iRacing career. Now, when most of us start out in iRacing, we dream of driving some cool cars way down the line. Maybe you're anxious to jump into the hypercars, Formula 1 or NASCAR Cup cars. But that's not where you start out. We all start in the rookie class, where our choices are limited. Now, this is not necessarily a bad thing. The rookie class can be a mess racing-wise, but it is a low-stakes environment where you can try out all types of racing iRacing has to offer. Maybe you're dead set on road racing when you progress your iRacing career, but I can highly recommend you to try out oval racing, rallycross and dirt ovals as well, as they can be a ton of fun. You'll want to expand your horizons by driving some other types of racing you wouldn't have thought of before, because every extra car and track that you'll need later on will cost you money, and it's better to know what kind of racing you actually want to spend your time on before you spend all your cash. And that's why it's a good idea to try out some different racing disciplines before you commit to one, as you might discover that you actually love some kind of racing that you didn't think about before. Now, when you're pretty sure what you like, whether it be road racing or ovals, take a look at the series list and figure out what you want to be aiming for. Whatever racing you might be dreaming of, it's good to have a goal to work towards, because you'll have to earn the right license to do that kind of racing. Now, if we take GT3 as an example, we'll need to upgrade our license all the way from rookies to B class, and we're gonna have to figure out what we want to be racing while we're getting to B class. Our career path might look as follows. We drive the MX-5s to get out of rookie, then in D class we can stick with the Toyota GR86 or with the MX-5 in the production car challenge. When we arrive in the C class, we can hop back into the advanced Mazda MX-5 Cup, which can help us get to the B class where we can finally drive those GT3 cars. Sticking to the series which feature cars that are included in the base membership can save us a lot of money. But before we advance our iRacing career, we first need to get out of rookie class. As I stated at the start of the video, use your time in rookies to explore what you like, and don't try to rush out of there. If you're a safe driver, you'll be out of there in no time anyway. But maybe you already know exactly what you want and you want to get there as fast as possible. Now, here's what you need to do. Upgrading your license has nothing to do with how skilled you are as a driver. It all depends on how safe you are as a driver. So getting as much safety rating as possible will be our goal in getting out of rookies and beyond. To upgrade your license from rookie to D class, all you have to do is get your safety rating up to 3.0. Safety rating comes from racing without any incidents. And beware that all incidents you are involved in are counted as your fault in a racing session. That means you'll lose safety rating for running off the track, smashing into objects, colliding with other drivers, and losing control of your car. When you're in a practice session, test driving your car, you can crash your car into every wall. Incidents will not be counted during practice, but once you load into a race, they are counted. So during qualifying and the race itself, you'll want to avoid anything that can lower your safety rating. So how do we go about this? I do recommend qualifying, but pushing it to the limit might endanger your safety rating. So to keep things safe, I recommend that you qualify without pushing it too much to make sure that you're not making any mistakes. Now when the race starts, we want to start from the pits, which you can do by not clicking the grid button before the race starts. And this will help us avoid any carnage at the start of the race. Now the rest of the race, we'll still have to keep things safe ourselves. If you keep this up and you don't have many accidents, in your first 3 or 4 races, you'll probably be hitting that 3.0 safety rating in no time, which will instantly upgrade you to a D class license. Now when you're in D class, you'll need to gain 4.0 safety rating for an instant license upgrade, or at least 3.0 safety rating at the end of the season to progress further along your chosen career path. If you're dead set on a specific racing series, be sure to prioritize safety over winning, but otherwise race hard and close because it is a ton of fun. Now, if you want to get better at iRacing with user-friendly custom insights, try out Track Titan, where you can record and analyze your iRacing data to become a better driver. Be sure to check out our supported track list, as we're still in the process of onboarding all iRacing tracks, but you can get a free trial of Track Titan when you sign up using code iRacing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.